Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and I have a quick tip video for you today. So I'm going to show you how to set Swarovski crystal fancy stones into their settings with a popsicle stick. So good excuse to buy that ice cream bar. We have a whole host of fancy stones and settings, and this is really just a small sampling. This is the one I'm going to set right here. And you see it has two holes on each side, and it has these wonderful prongs. And that's what it looks like without the stone in it. And this is really great because a lot of these stones have these wonderful curved backs to be able to get those facets, which are just so pretty. And this accommodates that and protects the stone. So all you have to do is you hold it in its setting and you pick out the stone that matches the setting, and they are sized perfectly. You just take the popsicle stick and press those tabs over it. Just do each one. Now I'm holding in my hand. You can also set it down on a flat surface and press them that way. Both ways work. But it's this popsicle stick which is so great because it's not going to scratch or mar your pretty crystal. And there you go. It's set just like that. And I have a couple examples here showing you them. So these are cushion stones in cushion stone settings. And that's what they look like on the back. And you see that we've utilized both holes. And then here we have some chatons and this lovely pear, and we've just used one of the holes. So a lot of different options, different things you can do, and you can set them quickly and easily with a popsicle stick.